Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial video where we will be running through how to connect your FP Markets account up to VEMA Trader. To do this, you are going to need an FP Markets account. So head on over to fpmarkets.com. If you don't already have an account, you're going to look for this button up in the top right hand corner here, Open Live. Once you have done that, you'll need to complete the KYC process, so send them documents and get yourself set up. Once you have that account ready to go, you can log in and you'll be taken to your dashboard screen. If you're not already on accounts, on the left-hand side, come to the big blue accounts button. You can see here that I have got 2 MT5 logins already. If you have created a new FP Markets account, then you probably won't see any accounts in here at all. And if that's the case, then we are going to come over to the right-hand side and go to Add New Account. To be able to put your money at risk and make profits, you will need to have a live account. So click on to Live Account. Now, with that said, I already have 2 live accounts, so for the sake of me demoing this to you, I'm going to choose Demo Account. Now, if you want to paper trade FP Markets in VEMA Trader, you do not need to do this. You can already paper trade in VEMA Trader without an MT5 account. So I'm picking Demo purely so I can make another account and connect it to VEMA to demonstrate things to you. You don't need to do that, but if you do want to do live trading, then you will need to choose Live Account over here on the left. So you choose Live, I'm going to choose Demo, but you are choosing Live. Next thing, on the choose platform, we want to choose MetaTrader 5. Make sure you have MetaTrader 5, not MT4. The next part is the account type. It's already pre-selected for us as standard. That's brilliant. Do not change that to raw, leave it as standard. The account currency, you are welcome to change this to whichever currency you would like to go for. The default is USD, but you know what? I'm going to pick on AUD. Purely as a personal preference, I like looking at things in my home currency. If you choose a different currency, that's also fine. VEMA is going to do all of the calculations for currency conversions for you. The leverage, leave it at 1 to 30. Perfectly fine. Next up, enter a password. Now, this bit kind of makes me giggle. The password box is ridiculously huge and large, but you can't actually click over here on the right-hand corner of the box. You must click over where it says password. So click on password and enter a new password for your MT5 account. This can absolutely be different to your FP Markets login. And make sure your password meets the requirements. Put it in a second time and go to add account. So double checking the settings, yours has live account, MT5, standard, whichever currency you want, and the leverage is 1 to 30. Add account. That's going to take you back to the accounts screen. You're going to see yours under live because you selected live and created a live account. Details you're going to need from this screen is your account ID. This is your MT5 login. It's the number just above FP Markets Live and the one that I've got hidden from you. If you can't remember the password to your MT5 account, no problems at all. Come over here to Actions, Edit, and there's a password reset section at the bottom of the Actions area. All right, so you're pulling the live ID, I'm pulling the demo ID, and now we have everything that we need. So copy this, and then we go over to VEMA Trader. Here in VEMA Trader on the trading accounts screen, well, you know what, to get here, you would go up to the top right-hand corner to the menu icon, go to My Account, and then click on Trading Accounts. Over here on the right-hand side for Forex brokers, you'll choose FP Markets. Note that it says, hey, only standard accounts are supported. So you did choose standard earlier, didn't you? Good stuff. For account type, you're going to choose live because you're live trading. I set up a demo account though, so I have to click on demo, but again, you would choose live for your live trading. The account name field here can be whatever you want it to be. It's just a name for the account inside of VEMA Trader. I'm going to call it FP VEMA. If you had multiple accounts, maybe you'd call it FP long term, another one for FP short term. Now for the login details. The MetaTrader login is the ID that you copied from your FP Markets screen. And then the password is the password that you entered into the password box for your MT5 account. All right, next up, we click add account, and then you chill and wait for a couple of seconds while VEMA connects everything up and gets it all working for you. Nice. If it's all successful, you will see API key added in the bottom right-hand corner, and down the bottom section, you will now see your FP Markets account has been connected. Don't want it connected anymore? Go ahead and press delete and it'll be gone. Next thing is that come up to the top right-hand corner and go to wallets, and you'll see that where it's got your FP Markets account, there's no balance in there currently. Well, this could be two reasons. One, well, you've just connected it to VEMA Trader, and VEMA needs a minute or two before it actually sees the balance, so hang on and be patient for a bit. The other one is that you may not have actually funded the account in FP Markets itself. So if you're live trading, jump back over to FP Markets. To fund your account in FP Markets, come to the accounts screen of your FP Markets dashboard, go to live, and then find which MT5 account you're going to use. Over on the right-hand side, you have got fund account. Click on this one and it'll run you through the deposit process to get money from your bank account, credit card, PayPal, whichever option works for you. They've got a few, which is pretty cool. Once you have funded your FP Markets live account, then you can click on the wallet up here and you'll be able to see that you have got some balance in your account now. Awesome. So I've now got $100,000 in my demo MT5 account. With that, we're ready to go. We're connected, VEMA can see our balance. So in the top right-hand corner, we can go to start charting. You will see on the top left-hand side, you can now see FP Markets as a broker that you can select from. And inside of the symbol list, what I like is that we've also grouped everything much nicer together here as well. So FP Markets give you access to bond CFDs, commodity CFDs, crypto, Forex, index CFDs, metal, and share CFDs as well. So a big list of things that you can trade from, which is absolutely fantastic. All right, so that I can quickly show you something here, I am on the AUD USD, so Aussie dollar versus US dollar. And you can see I've got it set to live trade. I'm going to go long on the Aussie dollar against the US dollar. And I guess I'd probably better do some kind of quick TA, technical analysis here to see where my stop loss and take profit's gonna be. So this is a super simple TA for the sake of having a trade to put on here. Don't read into this one in any way, shape or form. I can see a uptrend forming and a downtrend forming. So a symmetrical triangle is forming on the Aussie US dollar. I can then drag my take profit wherever I'd like it to be. I'm going to give myself a pretty tight stop loss on this one. And now here no, it's a bit too tight. I'll move it further away. So here I am set up with a 4.85 to 1 trade. Awesome. I could go ahead and press enter now, super simple. But what I really like about using VEMA Trader is how easy it is to use multiple take profits. So here under risk management, I'm going to expand this section out. You can see it's already said which account it's going to use of my FP Markets connections. It's doing everything with 1% account risk, so doing all the position sizing for me. My stop loss is just dragged on the chart and in place. I'm going to come to the take profit section and I'll add on 2 more take profits, which has added 2 more green lines onto the chart. I'll move them into position so that we have got ourselves a trade that will enter and scale out. Awesome. Super easy to do. A thing I really like about Forex on FP Markets is that there are no trading fees. Fantastic. All right. Journaling is automated for us as well, though we are welcome to go ahead and add more into our journal. With that, I am going to click on enter now, and that will enter the trade for me. So there we have it. Nice and easy to get set up with FP Markets and VEMA Trader. Once done, you are ready to get trading using VEMA Trader's really intuitive and easy to use interface. If you run into any issues while setting this up or you need any assistance, please feel free to get in touch with us. support@vematrader.com. We'd love to hear from you and we can most definitely help you get set up and running. Happy trading!